Certification serves as evidence that you are qualified in a particular field, boosting a resume's value and aiding in landing a good career. A skill up certification course from Simplilearn can open many doors for you if you are a graduate student or a beginner looking for a job in the IT industry. It may provide you with the technical skills you need to advance your career and earn lucrative pay packages. You're already watching Simplilearn, and today we bring you the best 5 free certification courses that will transform your life and advance your career in 2023. Here's a gentle reminder to subscribe and click the bell icon before we start into Skill Up courses, so you'll be the first one to know about the latest IT trends and resources for upskilling and advancing. Now, let's explore free Skill Up certification courses for 2023. At number 5, we have DevOps. Did you know that the global DevOps industry is expected to grow up to $57.90 billion by 2030? DevOps is a method for automating and integrating software development and IT operations, allowing teams to produce, test, and deliver products more quickly. A number of industries, including those in early defect detection, online financial trading, integrating automation testing, and applications in the automobile sector, are adopting these skills. The average salary for DevOps per annum in India is around Rs 7,77,000, and in the USA it's nearly $111,000. If you are a complete beginner in the field of DevOps, then you can start with a free skill up course on getting started with Docker, followed by Git training and introduction to DevOps tools. If you want to master these skills for free, do check out the Skill Up platform. The link is in the description below. Then, in the 4th position comes cybersecurity. The global cybersecurity market is expected to increase at a compound annual growth rate of 12.3% from 2023 to 2030. Businesses are currently looking for cybersecurity experts with the required training to counter cyber threats. Data is of importance today, causing industries like defense, technology, and healthcare to adopt cybersecurity. Under cybersecurity course, we have Introduction to Cybersecurity. There is also Ethical Hacking for Beginners, Introduction to Cybercrime, and many more. If you want to master these skills for free, do check out the Skill Up platform. The link is in the description below. The average salary for cybersecurity per annum in India is Rs 5,20,000, and in the US it's nearly $106,000. Consider connecting with our mentor TTP to get tips and tricks and job guidance on the Skill Up as part of the community on cloud and cybersecurity. Third position, we have digital marketing, probably the fastest growing domain at the rate of 25% to 30% per year. Digital marketing can be used by people and business to build their brand online and market their products. High earning sectors like healthcare and entertainment are already using digital marketing to maximize their profits. Simplilearn Digital Marketing 101 is a perfect start for building marketers, covering topics like marketing analytics, mobile marketing, and customer lifecycle management, teaching you techniques to produce a measurable impact on your business. If you want to master these skills for free, do check out the Skill Up platform. The link is in the description below. The average salary for digital marketers per annum in India is Rs 2 to 3 lakhs, and in the US it's nearly $130,000. That in the 2nd position is AI and machine learning. By 2030, the worldwide artificial intelligence market is expected to be worth nearly $1,600 billion. Machine learning has expanded dramatically with every organization moving towards digital operations, and they are all considering using machine learning algorithms to automate tasks that frequently required manual labor, reducing workload and boosting productivity. Skill Up offers free courses on machine learning, deep learning for beginners, getting started with machine learning algorithms, and many more. If you want to master these skills for free, do check out the Skill Up platform. The link is in the description below. The average salaries for machine learning engineers per annum in India is around Rs 10 lakhs, and in the US it's nearly $136,000. Connect with our mentor Anand Jha for career guidance, tips and tricks on Skill Up community on AI and machine learning. First position is data science. Data scientist employment is expected to expand by 36% between 2021 and 2031. Data science can extract useful data from huge amount of information using the right tools and methods. A data scientist's daily tasks include gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data to assist organizations in achieving their objectives. A complete beginner to data science can get started with the Introduction to Data Science Skill Up course, and more experienced professionals can take up our data science courses using Python and R as well. If you want to master these skills for free, do check out the Skill Up platform. The link is in the description below. Average salaries for data scientists per annum in India is Rs 10 lakhs, and in the US, it's nearly $121,000. The Skill Up courses mentioned in this video are self-paced and recorded by subject specialists. Before enrolling in the course, you can check who should learn all of these skills based on job role and interest, and the topics covered with timestamps. Certificates will be issued upon completion of the course. Moreover, you will have free access to that course for 90 days, allowing you to refer to it whenever you need to. As previously said, you can explore your preferred technology and the courses available on the Skill Up official website. And consider going to the Skill Up platform to get free learning, connect with mentors, and sharpen your skills with the daily quizzes. And that brings us to the end of this session on 5 free life-changing certification courses for 2023. I hope you found this session useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and our team of experts will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.